Now the question is calculate the value of 4 into 3 log 81 by 80 to the base 2 plus 5 log 25 upon 24 to the base 2 plus 7 log 16 upon 15 to the base 2. Now in any logarithmic question, all I need to do is I'll just need to identify the property which I can use in a given question. Now here what I see is I see these numbers, and these numbers, they are multiplied to log. So my property says I can take these numbers to the power of given logarithms. So I can express it as 4 into log 81 upon 80 to the power 3 log 25 upon 24 to the power 5 plus log 16 upon 15 to the power 7. And what I'll also do is I'll express each number as powers of prime. So I can write it as 4, and this is log 2, and this is 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 into 5, 5 square, 2 cube into 3, and then this is 2 to the power 4, 5 into 3 to the power 7. So now I'll multiply these powers. So I can write it as 4. Now this is 3 to the power 12, 2 to the power 12, 5 to the power 3. This is 5 to the power 10, 2 to the power 15, 3 to the power 5. To the power 28, 5 to the power 7, and 3 to the power 7. Now another property that I see is, because the base is same, log m plus log n. Now log m plus log n is log m into n. So I'll multiply everything, right? So I'll write 4 log 2, and this is 3 to the power 12, 2 to the power 12 into 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 10, 2 to the power 15 into 3 to the power 5, and 2 to the power 28, 5 to the power 7, and this is 3 to the power 7. Now 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 7 is 3 to the power 12, so you'll get cancelled. Now 5 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 7 is 5 to the power 10, which gets cancelled. Now this is 2 to the power 28, and this is 2 to the power 12 plus 15, which is 27. So what I'll get is, I'll get this simply as log 2 base 2, and log 2 base 2 is simply 1. So answer to this question is 4.